Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. So I know I've been going for like a little bit 4 days, 5 days or whatever, but I got so much glitter on my shirt. But you know, sister was just trying to get her business together. I was working on so much new stuff that I'm bringing to you guys, so I'm so excited for that. But we back with a new video, Entrepreneur Life episode 11. Yeah, we're just gonna get into it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video for more. Anyways, I have two businesses, Anna's Dollhouse and Anna's Wigs. Anna's Dollhouse, I'm coming out with a surprise for it. I'm rebranding it real soon. Stay tuned, okay? But Anna's Wigs is launching this Friday, and I'm so excited. She's relaunching, and I have so much stuff I want to add on the website. I have lace tint sprays. I gotta go get labels for it. This video is sponsored by VRBest Hair. So before we get into this video, I'm gonna show you guys a quick ad involving VRBest Hair. We'll be showing you guys a quick style, curly lace front wig. Just like a quick on-the-go style if you don't feel like customizing your wig, you know, gluing it down, bleaching it nice. This is a quick little style you can do with the hair, and all the hair will be linked in the description box below. And yeah, for further ado, let's get on with this commercial.
Alrighty, I look like a hairball. Okay, you see, I look crazy. I look like my dog right there. Now, as you can see, the wig is not customized whatsoever. Now, this is for all my lazy girls who just want a quick on-the-go style to go to work, to go to school, to go get your edges laid, to go get your baby daddy in a bay, I don't know. But yeah, those are the curl pattern for this wig, and I just want to honestly say the density on this wig is so high. It is so gorgeous and I love it. And now I'm just putting a headband over to just cover, you know, that harsh looking hairline that ain't plucked. And you can get this headband from my website. You can get any name on the headband. I just got doll on it. And now I'm just putting some water into the hair to make it a little bit flat. And I'm also going to add some water to the curls to make it pop. And I just want to say, guys, this wig is so gorgeous. I definitely will keep you guys updated with me and this wig once I like really customize it and everything. But I am so in love. Now I'm doing a half up half down kind of situation because this is not a 360 wig, but I think this style looks so cute and so effortless and on the go, honey. And I'm just fixing that up right now, and I am all done. Would you look at that, girl? Popping, a popping look in only 5-10 minutes. Would you look at that and those curls, honey? Oh my God, yes, honey, slay. Yeah, guys, totally love this hair. Totally recommend it. Make sure you check it out, and I'm out of here.
You guys want to know where I got this shirt from? Shirt that I made for a shop in his dollhouse. This is actually a set, but however, I'm not wearing the biker shorts to it because it's not hot outside today. So if you want that set, it will be linked in the description box below also. And I will also make a clothing haul video of my whole website so you guys can see how it fits and everything once I add more items. Okay guys, so so this is my little table. I have, you know, my business cards, my thank you cards for both of my business on this table. This is one of the bottles. This is going to be what my lace tint spray will be in. It will come in 4 shades. So I just need to get a nice label right here. So I'm going to go to the print shop that I go to. I got about 16 of these just to start out with to see, you know, how well I look like a giraffe. How well they are gonna sell. So yeah, that is so cute and it's great quality. Lip gloss tubes I got from my plug. So I will be having these for wholesale. Y'all guys know I'm becoming a vendor in June. So if you guys want these lip gloss tubes, I will be putting them up for sale. But this is how it looks. It's 8 millimeters of product you can put in here, and it's a nice matte black packaging. I just love this so much, guys. Like, look how cute that looks. And then the tail and then the brush itself, this one is so soft, so you are getting more pigment on your lips. You're not dealing with that hard warm brush that just bringing off no type of pigment, no type of color. So yeah, this is so great, and it comes with the stopper. So these will be for sale on my vendor website on June 24th, so make sure you check that out. Oh, but hold up guys, I gotta show y'all something else. So I made this whole board of flowers. This is like a this is what I'm going to use as a background for my wigs, you know, to display my wigs. Flowers, they are just all white, and then I was probably going to do like my initial, like an A in there. But yeah, all of these flowers I got from Dollar Tree. The poster board I got from Dollar Tree. I got this idea from Everything Ebony on YouTube, and yeah, it is coming out so pretty. I wanted all white, so I think all white just looks so good. So I'm also going to get some new backgrounds for my wigs and everything. But yeah, I started using glue to glue down the flowers, but then I started using tape, and tape was so much better. So I ran out of flowers. I'm going to get some from Dollar Tree today also. Look at the weather today, and it was so nice yesterday. Now it is raining. It's about to rain later and all that stuff. And I personally just don't like, oh my god, I personally just don't like to put on sneakers anymore. Like, girl, my feet be hurting. I just need something comfortable. I'm just put this little calm hoodie on, you know, something calm, you feel me? Like, let a nigga try me. I'ma get his home on a body. And I ain't blaming nobody. Looking around and I might catch a addy. Yo, some boy called me Deja Loaf the other day. I literally gagged. Like, what? Deja Loaf? I don't know if that was a compliment or not, but I'm a sexy ass Deja Loaf. Alright guys, so the first stop we're gonna go to is my print shop. Now, if you live near me, like you live in New York or whatever, I go to this print shop called Mr. Copy King. They basically do my labels, my stickers and stuff. I'm gonna be honest, like, no tea, no shade. I'm trying to find a different place to go to, or even start making my own once I get the right paper, because sometimes they be charging too much, and I'm a top quality customer, so they need to cut me some slack. But yeah, I'm finna call my Uber to go there, and we just gonna see what they can do. We're gonna see what they can do. So basically, I'm getting 16 labels, but for the labels, it's gonna be different pictures, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm about to call my Uber to go there today, but I don't care. So yeah, what am I talking about? Lift coming in 2 minutes. Where is Camry on? What the fuck is Camry on? Yo, y'all be peeping. The Lyft drivers don't be looking. You know when a Lyft driver show their little picture, they don't even look like that in person. We just do catfishing. This is gonna be an hour, but this is basically the layout they gave me of how big it is to look on the bottle. And this is just one of the lace tint spray colors, Mocha Bay. Just about to wait here because I'm not feeling gonna go home and then pay another Uber ride to come back. It's just too much, so I'm gonna just wait till my labels are done. In my casa, I had toned the brightness down so you guys can focus on these items. Now here are my labels. So these are the bottles, 16 bottles of course, the rest in this little storage thing that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna actually go to Dollar Tree and get another one of these because they are gonna be very much needed. So I'm gonna put those to the side. Now my label stickers. This is the first shade, second shade, third shade, fourth shade. Go. Mocha Bay, put that there. Mocha Bay, Pure Beige, dark chocolate, caramel latte. And there we go. Okay guys, so here are all 4 of the Pure Beige shades. Here are all, I'm only doing 4 bottles for each shade in stock because I want to see how they sell first, of course, and I highly recommend for you guys to do that because you want to not have too much inventory, and what if that inventory don't sell, then it's a waste of money. So the less products you start out with when you're first introducing something new, the better. And if everything's sold out, girl, good. Now you know how much bottles to get of this shade, how much bottles to get of that. So it's easier, and it's an easier way to save money and see your profit. So I highly recommend that. Now that's the first shade done. This is Caramel Latte. Simple like that, and I'm gonna just put her right there. Ooh, that's so crooked. That is literally so crooked. All the bottles are done. I put them in order from lightest shade to darkest shade. But once Friday come and my website's released, you can see all the ingredients in the bottle. You can see all the instructions and stuff like that. This spray will also come with special instructions also. I'm super stoked how it came out. I might be extra and add like a diamond to the top or something. I don't know, y'all know how extra I am. Okay guys, so like I was like, girl, I decided to be extra and add some of these bling stickers onto the bottle, so let's just do that. Y'all know I gotta be extra. So actually we're not going to Michael's today, saving a trip today. I literally go to Michael's so much. I have everything in my house, like Michael's is literally in my house. But yeah, let's get to dazzling these bottles. I'm gonna see where do I want it at. I'm gonna put them right in the middle of the bottle, like this, right here, right there. And it automatically sticks right on because they are self-adhesive. It has adhesive on it. And yeah, look how pretty that looks. And I'm gonna just do that for the rest of them. Look how cute the freaking jewel just makes the bottle. Oh my god, these bottles are so cute but simple, and I literally didn't have to spend so much money on packaging. So guys, this is how to make great bottles. My lace tint sprays, I'm so excited. And this frosted like material is just so high quality, so great. And yeah, I'm in love with it. Can't wait to see how it looks when the product is in there. For real. Okay guys, so now that I got the lace tint spray bottles done, it's time to work on my lip gloss packaging. So let me put y'all on about what I'm gonna do. So y'all remember I told y'all I was gonna go to Michael's, get the letters and stuff. I'm not gonna do that no more. I'm gonna actually try it with this machine. It's called a vinyl machine. And basically that's how I make, that's one process of how I make my t-shirts. This these words right here is called vinyl. So this is vinyl paper. Basically you make the words and then you just heat press it onto the heat press machine. I do like an A, like a cursive A in pink. That's all I want. I really like something, I really want something sweet and simple and professional. I'm going to go to Dollar Tree right now. Get to Dollar Tree. Y'all already know how this store looks or whatever, so I'm not even going to be taking that long. But I'm going to see what type of confetti paper they have. I mean tissue paper. They just got this purple and blue one. And over there, I just like the all white. Oh no, that's the glitter. Is it? Let me see. Yeah, this is the all white one. I'm going to just get that and some tape. And what else I need? Oh no, here's the one that got confetti on it. But I don't need it. So I'm gonna just get the all white tissue paper, and these boxes look really cute too. Oh my god, but I do not need that. Okay guys, so this is where I got the flowers from. As you see, I have a lot of colors. They mostly have a lot of white, so I just got white, and I'm just get these white roses right here. This it says work hard, dream big. They just Dollar Tree be having some nice stuff. Like look at this stuff. I just can't help myself. I'll go here. I filled all the bottles up with the lace tint spray. I filled all the bottles up with the product, and now I'm just gonna be putting them in these cartons here. Just a great way to storage them. All those bottles look the same color, but once you spray them, they will have all different shades. Show you guys how they look right here. Colors from more like a golden yellow undertone. The second color, you know, a brownish, then it gets more darker. So yeah, these are my special lace tint sprays made with my special ingredients. Took me a while to like actually master this, so I can't wait for you guys to see, test them out on my wigs and everything as well. So my bracelets, as you can see, the Ice Me Out bracelets are almost sold out. These are my tennis bracelets. And my other one, everything is good. And this is a 4x4 closure. I will be making I'll be having closure bundle deals. I'll be having closure wigs, handmade wigs and everything. But I love this. Like, look how great this hair is. Just put all the hair into here. Mannequin head. I'm gonna just take these green leaves and just like kind of have it around here, because I still want that like flower kind of thing. So just do that. And also don't worry about if you think like the flower is like too small. How I take my pictures, I crop them out the right way so you won't see like the pink background or anything. Some leaves right here. I have my box of diamonds. I got these from Michael's. I'm gonna just put them, the little ones, like, let's see, open these up, and like the diamonds is gonna be like inside the leaf like that. I think that is so cool. So open that up, put the diamond in, and put the diamond there, and then and for her makeup, I honestly just Facetune this mannequin sometimes. I don't feel like doing her makeup. I'm gonna be making a shirt actually for this doll for her to wear. Probably gonna say Emily Jordan's wigs on it. Okay guys, so I just want to show you guys how it will look like once I have let me turn the brightness down. Once I have like the wig on and everything, this looks so cute. I'm loving it. So yeah, how to take the picture, it will be, you won't see like, you know, the pink background. Actually with this wig, it is so gorgeous. Like, she looks like Mother Nature, okay? But yeah, this wig will be for sale on my website too on Friday, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And I'm just so excited. And yeah, this is my wife. Anna Joy's wigs box. Love it. You just open her up like this, and she is great. And I got this box from papermart.com. Make sure you check that out. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, oh my god, I'm literally so tired right now. I just cannot wait to lay down and lay my edges to rest. But yeah, my wig line is finally relaunching soon. I'm so excited. This is my biggest business ever. Like, this is my first business I started out with, guys. So I'm just so excited to work again with Emily Joy's Wigs. Now I'm going to be really busy. Follow Emily Joy's Wigs on Instagram. Thank you for supporting me and just being there for your girl. Like, thank you. And I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you on the next video.